Hello students, I am M.K. Vijay, your SST teacher. In this video, under the manufacturing industry, we are going to discuss about iron and steel industry. As you know, iron and steel industry is a key or basic industry because it lays the foundation of other industry, and due to it is considered as basic industry. It may be called as foundation infrastructure industry. Here, as you know, or before some decades, the production and consumption of iron and steel is significant measures of the level of industrialization and economic growth. Means हम कह सकते हैं कि आयरन के उत्पादन और उपभोग के आधार पर किसी देश के औद्योगिकीकरण और औद्योगिक विकास को मापा जाता था। मतलब इसके आधार पर यह समझा जाता था कि कौन सा देश कितना विकसित है। वह देश विकसित माना जाता था जिसका आयरन एंड स्टील प्रोडक्शन एज वेल एज कंजप्शन दूसरे देशों से ज्यादा था। We will discuss about it in the next video. We will comparison with the China, and on such base we will prove why China is considered as more developed countries than India. At the third point, we can say basic industry. It is a heavy industry which is fundamental requirement to other industry. इसे बेसिक इंडस्ट्री माना जाता है क्योंकि दूसरे कई ऐसे इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जिसकी स्थापना आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री पर निर्भर करती है। आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री अगर विकसित है तो हम बहुतेरे इंडस्ट्री की स्थापना कर सकते हैं। बट एज यू नो, it is a heavy industry because all the raw materials as well as finished goods are heavy and bulky, entailing heavy transportation cost. ये कहने का तात्पर्य है कि इसे हैवी इंडस्ट्री माना जाता है क्योंकि इसमें प्रयुक्त होने वाले रॉ मटेरियल्स भी काफ़ी भारी होते हैं। इसके अलावे इसका प्रोडक्ट भी काफ़ी भारी होता है और जिसको एक जगह से दूसरे जगह ले जाने में ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट अधिक लगता है। यही कारण है कि हम आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री उन्हीं क्षेत्रों में स्थापित करते हैं जहां इसके रॉ मटेरियल की उपलब्धता है। अदरवाइज इट्स कॉस्ट may be so high. Most industries are present under public sector because it huge investment, long gestation and research and development facilities. यह इंडस्ट्री में अधिकांश उद्योग सरकारी क्षेत्र में है क्योंकि इसमें इन्वेस्टमेंट काफ़ी अधिक पूंजी लगती है जो किसी एक व्यक्ति के बस की बात नहीं है। इसके अलावे इसमें लंबा समय लगता है, नई लंबी परिधि होती है, इसमें रिसर्च करना आवश्यक है। क्योंकि अगर रिसर्च नहीं होगा तो याद कीजिए अशोक के ज़माने में जो पिलर बना था आज भी उसमें जंग नहीं लगता है, जबकि हमारे यहाँ या दुनिया के अधिकांश देशों में आज भी यह रिसर्च चल रहा है, हाउ कैन बी मेक सच टाइप ऑफ आयरन इन स्टील, but such type of research and research work is not possible in the private sector, not possible. Now we have need to discuss about locational factor. What are the main factors responsible for its location? First is raw material. As you know, the availability of raw material is playing a crucial role in the establishment of iron and steel industry. Iron ore, coking coal, limestone, manganese. It's are the considered as the main raw material for making iron and steel, especially ore, coal, limestones ratio should be 4:2:1. Try to consider. We have need 4 ton iron ore, 2 ton coking coal, and 1 ton limestone for making 1 ton iron and steel. Such type of huge material can't be transported for a long distance, otherwise its cost may be increased, and manganese are required to harden the steel. आप जो स्टील देखते हैं वह स्टील पहले नहीं बनता है, पहले पिट होता है, फिर उसमें मैग्नीज मिलाकर उसे कड़ा किया जाता है। इसलिए मैग्नीज इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर्ड एज द रॉ मटेरियल फॉर आयरन एंड स्टील। ट्राई टू कंसिडर द मोस्टली आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्रीज आर प्रेजेंट in the area of Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau, because mainly three regions are present where iron ores are present. One is Chota Nagpur, second Bailadila, and third Kudremukh, in which mainly iron and steel industries are present in Chota Nagpur plateau, just like Burnpur, Durgapur, Jamshedpur, Raurkela, Bokaro, Bhilai, all are present in such area. While Bilasnagar, Vijaynagar and Bhadravati are present in Kudremukh in Karnataka, as well as Salem in Tamil Nadu. So, in spite of it, the other locational factors are present in which iron ore mines are present in Jharkhand, Singhbhumi, Bihar, Odisha, Kenduazhar, Badampur. Such type of a lot mines are present, as well as in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka. Iron ore, super fine iron ore are present. And try to consider for the Chota Nagpur plateau, coal are also abundantly present in the mines of Jharia, Raniganj, Bokaro, Giridih, Karba, and something else. Bhadravati is using hydroelectricity from the Saravati power project due to Karnataka. In Karnataka, Vijayanagar and Bhadravati are running now a days. Here, hmm, Bhadravati are present in Karnataka. In spite of it, the other factor that are playing a vital role is market. As we have discussed, its product is so bulky and heavy, so market should be in such concerning. अगर छोटा नागपुर को देखें तो इससे दक्षिण चेन्नई है, इससे पश्चिम दूरी पर है, लेकिन बगल में कलकत्ता है, जहाँ से इसके अलावे छोटा नागपुर के अधिकांश प्रोजेक्ट रेल, रोड और एयर बेज के गुड नेटवर्क से जुड़े हुए हैं. सो मार्केट एज ए मार्केट कलकत्ता इज प्रेजेंट नियर बाय. Second is water supply. If you have knowledge about the previous classes, you have known that Tata has found or had found superfine water, the superfine iron ore in Raisina hills. But in the absence of water, they couldn't establish their factory in such area. Actually, Tata had to establish his factory in Sakchi because Kharkhai and Swarnarekha river are providing appropriate water supply, as well as we can say power. Nowadays, each and every industry, especially iron and steel industry, has their own power station, like TISCO. TISCO is producing hydroelectricity with the water of Swarnarekha, as well as TISCO's own power station, thermal power station is also present. With the help of both power, TISCO is running now. So, without water supply, because the huge quantity of water is used in the making process of iron and steel, as well as last we can say transportation network. As we have discussed, it's not only raw material but its finished goods or production is also bulky and heavy, and due to it we can't transport easily in remote places. So a good network of transport is essential where there is iron and steel industries. Now we are going to discuss about the production of steel. As you know, for the production of steel, some special process is present. Just like first is transport of raw material to plant by the various means, but mainly by the railways in India. In America, with the help of water transport, the raw material is transported. iron ore is melted with the help of limestone and coke. In the blast furnace, we are mingling limestone and coke. We have discussed about the ratio 4 ratio 2 ratio 1 ratio. So it is mingled in 2 and 1 ratio, and then तब कहीं जाकर भट्ठी में वह पिघलता है, and molten matter is poured into molds called pigs, और तब स्लेग को निकालकर फेंक दिया जाता है, और वह जो मोल्टेन आयरन ओर होता है उसको अलग करके सांचे में ढाल लिया जाता है, जिससे पिग आयरन बनता है जो बहुत लचीला होता है। पिग आयरन इज प्यूरिफाइड बाय मेल्टिंग एंड ऑक्सीडाइजिंग द impurities nickel, manganese and chromium are added. All are playing the different type of role. Just about the magazine we have discussed, it is used for the taking hardness, as well as chromium and nickel are used for separating impurities that are present in pig iron. And in this way again we are melting pigs, and then we are finding iron and steel, and after finding melting pure iron and steel, we started to give the shape. After doing process rolling, पत्थर बनाया जाता है, प्रेसिंग, प्रेस के द्वारा अपनी इच्छा अनुसार मोटाई का चादर निकाला जाता है, कास्टिंग एंड फॉर्जिंग, तब उसको अलग अलग चीज के रूप में बनाया जाता है। इन दिस प्रोसेस द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ स्टील इज प्रोड्यूस्ड। इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो we will discuss about the other part of iron and steel industries, in which we will discuss about the production of steel. We have discussed not production of steel, the process of making steel. It is the process of making steel. Now we will discuss what is the position of India in the production of steel, how can we compare with the other countries, as well as what problems are present in front of Indian manufacturing of steel. Thanks.